Ah, this seems refreshing. Oh no! High sugar, preservatives, artificial colors and flavors. Oh my god, what am I drinking? Why most of the drinks are unhealthy? What if I create a better one? How can I formulate? How can I make it tasty? Will I be able to sell? Oh, so many questions.
Hi, Mr. Siddharth. We are calling from Samath Global Food Consultants. We have received your inquiry about healthy sparkling drink. Could you share more details about it?
This is really an interesting product concept.
Yes, we can develop this product. Let's schedule a meeting.
This technology can increase the shelf life of beverages.
Oh, is it? For up to 1 year?
Yes, without adding any preservatives.
We can formulate this product with no added sugar or synthetic colors or flavors.
That's fantastic.
We will submit a proposal soon.
Hi, Mr. Siddharth. Hope you have received our proposal.
Yes, it looks perfect. Let's go ahead.
We have optimized 3 formulations.
Wow, it tastes really good. It came out exactly the way I wanted.
Cheers! Let's do it! To us, to Zen Paul! Delicious! Cheers!
We provide comprehensive food science solutions tailored to your needs, especially in, but not limited to, millet value-added products, novel preservative-free technologies, beverages, fruit and vegetable technologies, instant foods and functional foods. Contact us for more details.